Hello, today I want to do a quick review of this really nice nose and ear hair trimmer that I've been using for a little while, and it's been really nice. Just kind of want to show it. This is all the packaging that it comes in, and it works out really well. I kind of just keep it in here, honestly, just in the box. It just stores really nice that way. It's got these individual compartments, so everything just fits in here really well. It's definitely reusable, so that's been really nice. This is the trimmer itself. Nice and small size, nice and compact, works really well. It does take a charge, so you can plug it in, charge it up, and use it, and it really lasts a really long time. Battery life is really good. And then it has this cap, so you can kind of protect it from getting dirty and kind of just keep everything clean in there. So there are 3 different heads. This one's kind of the nose hair trimmer, and to take these off, you just give it a little twist. So from there to there, and then remove, just like that. Very easy. It does come with other trimmers as well. We have this one that's got a little bit of a wider blade that could be used for like sideburns. Same thing, just twist on to lock, twist off to unlock. And then we have this other blade, which is just a little bit narrower for maybe in your ears or something like that. So it works really well. Everything works really well. Very easy to clean. I might as well just show that while it's off. While it's off, you can just run it right under the water, just like that, and clean everything off. So works really well, super easy to use. So let me show you how to actually use it. You turn this on, you can hear it going right now. It gives you a little indication of your battery life left. You can use it, and it works really well. The blades are all really sharp. It doesn't pull or anything like that. I've used the other 2 as well, and they all are really nice. So this works really well, very easy to maintain, clean, store, and it just works. So if you're looking for something like this, I would really highly recommend this brand.